guys, we're here now in Hoover Dam. We're just looking at the scenic route, but later we will go inside the Hoover Dam. So I will show you what Hoover Dam looks like. Guys, I'm here again. We are now in Hoover Dam. So this is Hoover Dam. Ayan. You know guys, Hoover Dam is actually built between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression. Oh, Arizona time. They have the same time. So pretty. Do you know guys that Hoover Dam has been in a lot of movies? This was the dam that collapsed in San Andreas movie. This is also the dam where Megatron and Optimus Prime fought in Transformers. And this is also the dam that was in the movie Vegas Vacation. This dam is one of the treasures of America and prized possession of the Nevada state. Actually guys, Hoover Dam, the videos and the pictures, it doesn't justify how beautiful it is. It's very picturesque there. In person, it's really beautiful. Yeah, it's very, very beautiful. It's just don't wait for me. Look, I can just look at it forever. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty, guys. My gosh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I cannot. It's just so pretty. You can't. The pictures and the videos, it doesn't justify how beautiful this thing is. Yeah. It is so pretty. Actually, Hoover Dam is a concrete like that. Arch gravity dam. Yan yung arch niya. So, arch gravity dam. It was built in Black Canyon of the Colorado River between the Nevada and Arizona. It's just so pretty. It was actually constructed between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression, and a lot of people did this construction. Can you imagine how people do that? It's just so nice. It's actually, we met a tourist here too, and she said that if you throw water here, instead of falling down, like going down gravity, it will come up because of the pressure. Because if you feel the pressure, guys, the pressure is really, really strong. So instead of, if you throw water, it will actually goes up, comes back to you. How cool is that? Originally the name of this dam is Boulder Dam, but they changed the name in honor of President Herbert Hoover. Oh, that is so perfect. So it becomes Hoover Dam, and it's just so pretty. The Hoover Dam, guys, they actually impound Lake Mead. Lake Mead is the largest reservoir in the United States per volume. So that it actually gives hydroelectric power to 3 states, Arizona, Nevada, and California. But I actually went there. Over there, there was 2 statues, and there were like 6 states on the floor: Nevada, California, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico. I don't know the others, but yeah. So guys, this Hoover Dam actually is free. You can just come here and drive, and parking is free too. But there is actually a parking fee a $10, but we actually parked to the free one. Yeah, and it's actually free, but they actually also offers tours in their website. It's I'm not sure about the price, and I think it's $27 per person. So, but we did it free. We just walked here down and drove here, so you get to see it anyway. So there you go, guys. So Hoover Dam actually is one of the major attractions here in Nevada. So in case you're coming here, do not miss this, because it's, especially that arch, so beautiful. Ayan, guys. So yeah, just enjoy your trip if ever you're coming down here in Nevada. Hoover Dam, it's something that is very surreal. When you see it, it's really beautiful. I can stare it all day. I can stare at it all day, look at it all day. So it's kind of different when it comes to theme parks, because theme parks, it's tiring, you go on rides, but this one, very beautiful, very, very beautiful. I love it. It's nice to take pictures too, and you will be surprised how they did. You will be like, how did they even do it? But I read somewhere that a lot of people died while doing this. So when I went up there were like not postcards, but there were memorabilia for the people who died while doing this Hoover Dam. So it used to be Boulder Dam, but now it's Hoover Dam. So that's it, guys, for our Hoover Dam tours. Okay, now we're going to our parking area. The parking, you really have to be very patient, because there's a lot of parking area, and there are a lot of steps. Like now we are going to a tall, high steps, a lot of steps. But even though, it doesn't matter, because the nature, the beautiful Hoover Dam, you can look at it and your tiredness will be gone. Ganon. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye.